Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove the CapCut watermark on your videos in CapCut PC itself. So if you have not logged in, make sure you do that. And I'm just going to copy and paste this real quick here, and I'm just going to select mask, and I'm going to select the area that's above it or under it where your watermark is. Just going to feather it out, and let's go back to basic, and we're going to put it on top here. Go back to mask, and we're going to feather it out a little bit more to blend it in. I know it's not going to be perfect, but that's basically the only way to cover up like watermarks, as you can see. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. But that is it for this video. Again, if you want to export it and there's still going to be like a watermark, just make sure you've logged in to an account. And then here, just like remove watermark or something. But that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.